Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. September na naman. So, marami rin tayong mga planets na naka-retrograde ngayon. Like, sabay-sabay sila. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, at ang asteroid na Chiron. So, nakakaloka. Ingat na lang kayong lahat. Be careful sa mga decision making ninyo. Okay? Huwag magpadalos-dalos. So, just a reminder, Sagittarius, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let us see. And of course, general reading to, so maaari kayong makaresonate, no? Maaring hindi. Just take whatever resonates. For Sagittarius, Pisces sensitize. You will be tapping into your emotions, your creativity, and arts. Mas magiging connected ka rin sa iyong intuition ngayong September. You also have the 6th house, sustainability. You will also focus on your health. Meron kang ibabalance sa iyong chakra. O speaking of chakra, meron akong binibentang chakra bracelet. So, for those who are interested in that. Focusing on your health, stability, no? Number 44. Master number 44 is about stability and structure. So, aayusin niyo yung health niyo, kalusugan niyo this time. You will also be focusing on mga routines, no, na alam yung makakabuti sa inyo. Like, for example, pag exercise or pag-organize ng bahay ninyo, ng sistema na ginagawa nyo sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa business nyo. You're going to focus on your work, your productivity. Okay? Ngayong September. You also have divine guidance. You are divinely guided, Sagittarius. I think with the energy ng Pisces here, may mga spiritual messages kayong marireceive ngayong September related sa mga bagay na dapat ninyong i-pursue ngayong September. And then you also have romance. Maaring meron kayong i-explore na romantic connection ngayong September. Or if you are in a relationship right now, mas patatatagin mo ang connection mo sa iyong partner. Let's see, what is your overall energy, Sagittarius, for the month of September? Ace of Swords, new ideas, messages, clarity. Yes, kaliwanagan sa iyong isipan. Maaaring ka rin merong eureka moment na, uy, this is a great idea. I want to start this. I want to do this. Maybe related sa iyong talents or skills or sa arts, no? Creative arts. And this is also communication. So I see someone might be reaching out sa'yo to talk to you about an important thing. This can be a job or, relationship. So this is your challenge, the Fool. Okay. There's a challenge for you to take a leap of faith, yung lakas ng loob, no? So maaring iba sa inyo maaring matakot or magdalawang isip na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay na gusto nyong subukan. So kung sa tingin niyo naman na na handa na kayo for that, why not? Kasi you'll never know eh. 'Di ba? Unless you tried. Sabihin ko sana until. Oo, kailangan subukan para makita mo. So, this is your opportunity. You have the King of Swords. You have the opportunity to analyze the situation. This is also the energy of Saturn. So, Saturn is about discipline, structure. So, I think, ngayon, mas ididisiplina mo yung sarili mo. Maaring may bibigyan mo ng limitation yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi na nakakabuti for you. Okay? Your blessing, the devil. Your blessing is, I think you are going to walk away from anything that is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose. You might be, releasing a toxic situation, a toxic relationship, or an unhealthy habit, no? Kasi nga, some of you are going to focus on your health. So, anything na alam mong hindi makakabuti sa kalusugan mo, hindi mo nagagawin, ile-let go mo na. Yung iba naman, you might be letting go of a romantic connection na alam mong medyo toxic na. It's no longer healthy for you to be in that relationship. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa. For Sagittarius, September. Wheel of Karma. Destiny. Consequences. Divine will na naman, So, I think, you're going to face, meron kang haharapin na responsibility sa isang bagay na ginawa mo sa past. Or, pwede rin tong, yung mga gagawin mo moving forward ngayong September, you will see the results or yung action na gagawin mo, makikita mo agad yung epekto nun sa'yo. Like, right away, realization. Some of you are also going to undergo healing, yes, recovery. So, yung mga nagkaroon ng, sakit, no, in the past, mga pwedeng physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. So, you're going to undergo healing, anything na sumusobra, no, sa'yo, you're going to let go of that na alam mong unhealthy sa'yo. Yung mga bawal, ayan, iiwasan mo na yan. Pwedeng i-let go mo na talaga yan because you are going to focus on your healing. Okay, sa money, career, finances, adjustments. So, you may need some adjustments with your spending. Your expectations are not met at this time. It's better to be prepared than sorry. Ayun. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo nag-overspend, no? Sa maraming bagay na yung tipong hindi nyo naman talaga kailangan. So, I think ang isa sa i-fix nyo ngayon is your finances. Yung paano kayo mag-spend ng pera. Anything na hindi nyo naman talaga kailangan, hindi nyo na pagkakagastusan. Diba? You are healing. You are parang may pagtigil, may pause. Related to sa mga nagawa mo sa past. And you are going to focus on your stability ng finances mo. You will just isi-stay mo lang. Paano ba yung sabihin? Kukunin mo lang or ikikip mo lang yung mga bagay na alam mong makakabuti para sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong career, anything that is not going to do anything good sa'yo, you're letting that go. So, example, meron kang pinagkakagastusan lagi, can be an unhealthy habit, addiction, or bisyo. I'm not saying na meron kayo nun, but of course, if you are resonating, then maybe it's time for you to focus on releasing the things that are no longer serving your highest good. Okay? Diba? Self-care. Focus on yourself. Mamahalin nyo ngayon yung sarili nyo. In a good way. Not in a selfish way, but in a caring way. Magkaiba kasi yun. Three of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga disappointments. Okay? Disappointments kayo sa mga naging expectations nyo sa relationship ninyo or even sa sarili ninyo. That's why you are focused on healing, focus on your health, And also, meron kang inaayos sa sarili mo. You are working towards your health and taking care of yourself. And I think, yung iba sa inyo maaring maging parang yung nagmamadali or impatient, no? Sa healing. Healing is a process. So, may mga bagay na hindi tayo kailangang madaliin. Kailangan lang natin mag-undergo ng process and enjoy mo lang yung experience, no? Although hindi naman lahat ka-enjoy, but at least you are doing something good for yourself one step at a time. Speak up. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. So, I think this is also you releasing anything na wini-would hold mo or tinatago mo sa sarili mo. Like yung mga feelings or anything na hindi mo gusto about yourself or sa ibang tao or sa situation mo. You are going to let go of that kasi yan yung isa sa nagbibigay sa atin ng stress, ng anxiety, yung mga unspoken words or unexpressed emotions. Oo. So, you're going to speak up and maybe you are going to talk to someone, a therapist or a friend, a family member who is willing to listen, na handang makinig sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.